What's up, YouTube? Welcome, and I'm so excited today. I found this very cool product in the internet, and I cannot wait to unbox it with you. I found that this diorama, 14 inches, 14 and a half inches on the internet. If you can see, it's very cool. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Ayan. I want to open it with you. This is actually just an imitation of the real product. And it's very cheap compared to the real one because the real one it costs around $300. Isipin nyo, 15,000 pesos. But this is way cheaper. Okay, if you want something like this, I can give you the link. Bought it directly from China. So, this is the Bat Family diorama. If you can see, mamaya I will introduce to you the Bat Family. Ayan, so we'll be careful with the box. Ayaw natin na mabash tayo sa mga netizens dyan. There you go. I'm so excited about this. I saw this maybe a few months ago. I saw it's really cute. And sabi ko sobrang mahal, but there's a lot of alternatives out there. Can't wait to put this in my collection, my desk. There you go. First is the stand. Ayan, the bat stand. It has some scratches, though. Okay lang naman, but kung 15,000 reklamo ko to siguro. But it's fine. This is PVC material, I think. Yeah, it's fine. It's cool. Okay, that's where you're gonna stand it. There you go. Okay. Looks good. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan, but it looks good. Okay, let's take this out. There you go. Can you see it? I'm so excited. Baka masira ko to and mabash ako. Wow. It really feels like the real thing. It smells good. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. This is so sulit. This is so sulit. It's worth it.
Wow, bro. That's crazy. That's so love, bro.
It's really worth it. Okay, let's review this very quick. I'm not sure lang why this is purple. I have to check. It should be black. But let's see. Okay, the details are amazing. There's no chip paint. I was expecting na duling si Robin. Ang mura lang eh. I-expect ko na may mga chip paint or the quality is not as good. But this is, I have to see the real one to be able to compare it. But this looks very good. introduction to the Bat family. This is Nightwing. There you go. Okay, this is Nightwing. This is the first ever Robin. His name is Dick Grayson, and he outgrew the role, and now he is called Nightwing. If you watch the Titans on Netflix, siya yun. Okay? The second Robin is this one, Jason. Jason. He's the most violent one sa mga Robins, and he died once. There's a movie right now. It's called Batman Death in the Family. You might want to check it out. How this Robin died, and of course he's alive. No one stays dead in comics anyway. Okay, the third Robin is Tim Drake. He's the most smart, and he's my second favorite next to Dick. Okay, buti magkatabi sila. I like Dick. I like Tim Drake. Okay, this is Tim Drake. He has the detective mind. Okay, and this is the current Robin is this one. Damian Wayne. Anak po siya ni Bruce and ni Talia al Ghul. Yes, may anak na po siya. Talia, hindi po yung dati yung si Marimar. Hindi po yung nanay niya. Okay, Talia al Ghul. Anak ni Ra's al Ghul. And the girl is Barbara. Barbara Gordon. Anak siya ni Commissioner Gordon. Ayan. Again, amazing Bat family. I love them. You know, Bruce, nagsasabi na siya ay heartless, but he raised all of them as if anak niya talagang lahat. And, this is Bruce Wayne. Okay, Batman, look at that. Amazing. Amazing finish. That's it. Very quick unboxing lang of this product. And again, I really like it. It's worth it. Hope I can find something like this again. And so excited about it. See you guys.